Maya, okay, quick question. If you had to paint your living room the color of, and I mean this literally, the entire universe, what color would you pick?
Oh, easy. I'd go with like a deep, moody charcoal, or maybe just straight up black with a bit of silver glitter for the stars.
See? That's exactly what everyone thinks. It's the logical choice, right? Space is dark. But if you actually took every single piece of light from every galaxy we can see and blurred it all together, you'd be living in a room that looks like a very pale, very creamy cup of coffee.
Wait, really? Not black? Not even like a dark navy?
Nope. It's a color they officially named Cosmic Latte. And honestly, it looks like a manila folder or a slightly off-white countertop.
No way. Cosmic Latte? That sounds like something I'd order at a trendy cafe, not the color of the cosmos. How did they even figure that out?
Okay, so back in 2002, these two astronomers from Johns Hopkins, Carl Glazberg and Ivan Baldry, were doing this massive study. They weren't even trying to find the color. They were doing a spectral analysis of over 200,000 galaxies. Basically, they were looking at the cosmic spectrum to figure out how stars form and how old they are.
200,000 galaxies? That's a lot of data points.
Right? It's like taking a giant cosmic blender, throwing in every star in existence, and hitting the smoothie button. But here's the funny part. They actually got it wrong the first time.
The astronomers got the color of the universe wrong?
Yeah. Initially, they announced that the average color was, wait for it, turquoise.
Turquoise? Like a 1950s diner?
Exactly. They thought the universe was this beautiful minty green blue. But a year later, they realized there was a glitch in their software. The software was basically seeing the color through a weird lens. When they fixed the bug, the turquoise vanished and they were left with beige.
Beige. That is so much less poetic than turquoise.
I know, right? Glazberg actually joked that he wanted suggestions for names as long as they weren't beige. But the science behind it is actually super cool. See, the color is a result of the age of the stars. Younger stars are these vibrant blue beauties. Older stars are cooler and redder.
So it's like a giant celestial campfire. The hottest part is blue, and as it settles down, it glows red.
Precisely. And because most of the stars in our universe formed about 5 billion years ago, we're in this middle ground phase. In the past, when things were younger, the universe would have looked much bluer. In the future, as stars age and turn into red giants, the whole universe is going to shift into a deep red. We're just living in the creamy coffee era.
That's actually a really beautiful way to think about it. We're in the mellow years of the universe.
Totally. It's the cosmic sunset.
So how did they land on Cosmic Latte? I'm assuming there was a vote?
There was. They put it out to the community. There were some amazing entries. Skyvory, Unbeige, Cosmic Cream. My personal favorite was Primordial Clam Chowder.
Primordial clam chowder? I am so glad that didn't win.
Right? Imagine telling people the universe is the color of soup. But Cappuccino Cosmico actually won the most votes. But the researchers overrode it for Cosmic Latte.
Why the switch?
Well, they said they were caffeine biased, which, fair. But also, latte means milk in Italian, which is a nod to Galileo, who was Italian, and the Milky Way. In Italian, it's Via Lattea. It just felt more connected to history.
That's actually really sweet. It's grounded in a bit of human history while looking at the biggest possible picture. It makes the universe feel a little more cozy.
Exactly. It's a cozy universe. Honestly, sometimes I wonder if we're just programmed to like these colors. Like, is it a coincidence that the universe is the color of the drink that keeps us functioning?
Maybe. Though it's a good thing we aren't just AI robots, Leo. We'd probably just see the hex code FFFFE7 and not appreciate the latte of it all. We'd be like, the universe is 255 units of red, 248 units of green.
Hey, speak for yourself. My processing speed is... my brain is very human. Totally human. I appreciate a good latte as much as the next biological entity.
Sure you do. Hey, before you give me another mind-blowing fact, I just want to say to everyone listening, if you're enjoying these deep dives into the weird and wonderful, you should join the loop. Come back tomorrow and get your daily curiosity fix with us. We love having you here.
Yes, join us. We have so much more to talk about. But seriously, Maya, think about it. Every time you look at a manila folder or a cup of milky tea, you're looking at the average of every single star in existence.
It's like a secret hidden in plain sight. The most boring color is actually the most everything color.
That's exactly it. It's the ultimate everything bagel, but in color form.
Well, I'm never going to look at a latte the same way again.
Mission accomplished.
All right, I think that's our cosmic dose for today. See you again. Stay curious.
Stay curious.